Hi, and welcome to Locker Designer. This program was developed in conjunction with locker manufacturers and is designed to accomplish two main functions. First of all, the system will increase sales. The second thing is it will decrease costs. You might ask how it does both these at the same time. Our explanation and the purpose of this is an overview, and we'll answer the following questions. What is Locker Designer? How can it benefit my company? Who can use it? And how does it work? Okay, so to begin with, what is Locker Designer? Now this is in conjunction with drawings, the generation of drawings required for submittals, etc. Okay, from one input session, the system will automatically generate locker drawings. So if you've got 2 or 3 different types of lockers in a job, those will all be represented with precisely the features that have been selected for those lockers. The second thing is required details are created and included in the drawing package as well. That means if you've got an end condition that requires an end panel, if you've got a filler panel, if you've got slow top or metal base or whatever, those things will automatically be included in the detailed drawings. And room drawings are generated as well. These are drawings that show where lockers are located. They're dimension drawings. They indicate the locker type that's being used. And of course, in all these situations, the title block would be filled out exhaustively, and it would be your title block. So we have a sample title block we've created here, but this would be tailored to make it look as if it was generated from your company. Okay, now how about as far as documents and data are concerned? Well, first of all, it produces estimates. These are either itemized estimates or summary estimates. The one we're looking at here is an itemized, and it has things like the quantity, the description of the part, in this case, I believe it has a part number, has a weight, and produces, of course, the individual item cost and the total cost, including the quantities. Right, but it'll also issue summary quotations. So if you've got a format where you describe the job but then put one price at the bottom, we'll do that. We'll automatically include shipping cost. We tap the shipper with the to and from zip codes and the city and state, whatever is required, and we will automatically include that in the estimate. Bill of material, this is an optional function, but what we'll do is we'll track your part number and do a complete exhaustive bill of material of everything that's included in a job. And this is formatted the way you'd want it to be. We also format it electronically, and the output will match the requirements of your existing ERP system. So we can put out XML, CSV files. You can go in an Excel format, Excel spreadsheet. Output may include order-specific, manufacturing, and or inventory data. Okay, so what is Locker Designer? It is a system that is web deployed, is intuitive and user-friendly, is designed for locker manufacturers, presents your products, features, and options, lets users define placement in rooms, facilitates the creation of price quotations, job-specific locker drawings, we call them shop drawings, locker detail drawings, and room layout drawings. And just one thing that you'd want to understand is that whatever your product offering is, whatever materials you offer product in, whatever type of perforations, ventilation options, all these would be included in the configurator, so your salespeople could select them. Okay, so how can it benefit my company? Well, Locker Designer's benefits are twofold. Number one, we increase your marketing reach. Because the system is web deployed, sales personnel may access it 24/7. Means if it's Sunday night, there's a presentation Monday morning, and for whatever reason the salesperson was not able to put together the information, we make it easy. You come in, you do your configuration, hit the print process button, and automatically all the drawings and associated documentation is sent to them. Quotes and drawings are quickly made and may be obtained wherever there is internet. So if you have access to your email, you can get your quotes and drawings. Revisions are easy, and updated quotes are immediately available. It assists you in selling your product. That's really the bottom line. What we do is we remove a lot of the operational obstacles to you selling your product and getting the information to the right people when they need it. All of this adds up to a significant competitive advantage. Okay, the second way that this benefits your company is we reduce your engineering costs. The system may be configured to produce quotations, both itemized and summary, room layout drawings, individual locker run drawings, job-specific locker shop drawings, all pertinent detail drawings, itemized bills of material, all completely automatic, drawn to your specifications and delivered in minutes. Just think of the amount of time and effort will be saved once this is configured for you. Who can use it? Anyone who has access to the internet. The access is granted via a password access, so every user has their own login, their own password. So architects, this could include if you issued passwords to architects, designers, engineers, etc. Field sales personnel, sales reps, in-house sales personnel, in-house engineers and administrators. Now here is one of the great benefits of the system is that if there's any questions, first of all, the system has built into it the expertise where it will not offer to do things that you cannot do. The offerings are clearly laid out and constraints. So as far as colors, sizes, features that would be available in a locker, these are all hardwired to match exactly the way you do business. But if there were any questions that a salesperson couldn't answer, they could just contact the in-house engineers and administrators, and they could log in and look at the same job and then give their advice. Order processing personnel can get into this once an order has been submitted. This would serve to move it forward, and we could work with you to give you whatever options or documentation output or contacts with the sales rep would be necessary. Inventory, ERP, MRP administrators, they'd be able to get in there and draw from the system whatever information they need, and anyone else who can contribute to product sales. Okay, how does it work? Well, first of all, there's a user-friendly interface and flow. Clear direction is provided for users. There's effectively no guesswork. It's always pretty obvious what you need to do next. If there are things that a user omits, the system will stop and prompt them to input the information that's required. Users are walked through the process. System requests all required data. So you won't be receiving quotations or drawings that are missing critical data. So you've got to go back and ask questions. This will all be included as the system prompts the user. Your product options are clearly presented and easily understood. Make it easy to get to your product. Uncluttered screens make interaction with the program pleasant and productive. It's easy to obtain drawings and documents. The jobs are easily revised and updated documents are automatically generated. This means that if you were on site or if there was some sort of change that had occurred, that maybe there was a miscommunication and you issued the drawings, sent them to the client, and they said, oh no, this wall is really over here, or this wall is this long, or we can't have lockers on this wall because of XYZ. You would be able to go in and immediately make the changes to the job in the program. It's a very quick process. Hit the print process button, and immediately a fresh set of documents reflecting all the changes would be given to you. Clear and professional documentation. Okay, we produce active, attractive, detailed drawings. Accurate, attractive, detailed drawings. You can see here's an example, and on the right-hand side we're giving a list of what was specifically requested and included in this. So we have the keypad lock, we have the perforated door, slope top, metal base, whatever options, code hooks, hatch shelves, extra shelves, whether you're going with a plastic shelf or galvanneal or a heavier material gauge, these things will all be itemized in this drawing and in the quotation. And obviously it goes without saying, this would all be placed in your title block, and the quotations would be issued on your stationery and would all reflect your look and feel in terms of color, layout, etc. Okay, so we appreciate you taking a look at this, and we hope that we can be of service to you. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to schedule an online demonstration. You contact us at Locker Designer at the information shown here. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.